At this point, nearly every YouTube guru has made videos on the impending doom of the AI revolution. And the problem here is most of them completely miss the mark on how you can actually capitalize on this era-defining technology advancement. There are three basic components that I want to take you through so you don't get left behind. First, we need to actually understand what AI is, and then we will look into how it will affect the world, and lastly, I'll show you what steps you can take to make money with AI, and I'll show you the exact softwares you can leverage. Throughout the years, there have been a number of inventions that have greatly shaped the course of history. The wheel, the printing press, a penicillin to name a few, and now artificial intelligence is the next crucial agent of change. It will dramatically impact our economy, our day-to-day lives, and even our culture and politics. There is no denying that the opportunities that arise with AI are nearly limitless, and choosing which ones to follow through with will likely be some of the most important decisions of our lifetimes. And the choice is not a matter of engineering progress, but rather of politics and regulations. That's because there is a law in circuit engineering called Moore's law. It essentially just means that the processing power of computers grows exponentially. Therefore, the power of AI is directly linked to the power of computers. So technology around AI will surely advance. There is no stopping it. The question only becomes how governments will regulate the advancement.
The man widely seen as the godfather of artificial intelligence has quit his job at Google, warning of the dangers of AI.
AI technology is developing at a dizzying pace these days that is fascinating and frightening people around the world.
I would be constantly urging him to be careful about the danger of AI.
Some of the most prominent leaders of the world have consciously warned us about the possible dangers AI will propose. Elon Musk has famously said that AI is one of the biggest threats to humanity. He also sees a future where no jobs are needed and every job is done by AI. But don't get scared, that's all a long-term prediction, and it's important to make the distinction between the long-term and the short-term application of AI in the real world. And therefore the truth obviously is that no one really knows what the world of AI looks like in 5 or 10 years. The only thing we can really do is to utilize the tools available to us right now to the fullest, and to make sure that we're not the ones to be replaced by AI first. Because there will certainly become jobs and skills that will become obsolete in the not so distant future. In fact, 5 in 10 companies say that they are likely to replace employees with AI in 2024, and 37% say that they've already replaced employees with AI. So it's time to adapt, there's no doubt about it. So let me tell you how to do it best. As I mentioned previously, there are an endless amount of opportunities when it comes to AI. I tried out a few for this video to see what works. One of the first things I did was to ask ChatGPT to come up with a trading strategy that utilizes machine learning indicators to make $10,000 as fast as possible. It gave me a very detailed description of how best to go about it. I added the indicators to TradingView and the strategy won 59% of the time, which is insane considering ChatGPT literally came up with the strategy in seconds. I got this idea from the video down below by TradeIQ that I highly recommend you to check out if you want more details on the strategy. In the video, he manages to get a 19,527% profit using the strategies provided to him by ChatGPT, which is absolutely crazy. Another AI software I love to use in my ecom businesses all the time is Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai works kind of like a co-pilot for your entire marketing setup. I mostly use it to generate copy for email, websites and the like, and the quality it provides is on par, if not better than anything I could have ever written by myself. Shopify has also recently got an incredible AI update, which very easily enables you to just give Shopify a few basic prompts about the text and then it'll automatically create it depending on your store and what you told it to. One mind-blowing thing that we use AI for is to make incredible integrations using Zapier as well. For one of my ecom brands, we get data from Zapier, inputting it directly into ChatGPT with certain prompts to generate outstanding AI automations. One concrete example is to get a bunch of people to answer some questions. Then Zapier will directly insert that info into ChatGPT based on a certain prompt, and then from there send certain messages to people through email. All done completely automatically with AI and Zapier. The possibilities here are almost endless, and so it is crucial for you to stay on top of things to optimize your daily routine to the highest degree. And so if there's one thing you should take away from this video, it should be to not be scared of AI. Instead, you should leverage it to gain an edge on your competitor. If you otherwise enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.